Okay. Now we'll see question number 1. First question. A person who decided to travel from his car went to a petrol shed and pumped 6 liters of petrol into his car within 60 seconds through a pump before starting his journey. Find the rate at which petrol flows out of the pump. All right. So first one, they have asked what is the rate petrol flows out of the pump. So you get rate is equal to volume divided by time. This is only formula for the rate. So what is the volume? 60 liters. So for the volume put the 60 liters. For the time you put 60 seconds. 60 divided by 60 means you get 1. So answer will be 1 liters per second. So you can write 1 LS minus 1. Right, MS minus 1. You can write LS minus 1. Or you can write 1 liters, liter divided by second kilometer. You can write, no problem. Okay, the distance time graph of his motion is given below. Find the total distance of his journey. But you can see he has come up to here. So it's 90 kilometers. It's 90 kilometers, very easy. Okay, so the total journey is 90 kilometers. Find the average speed of the journey. Average speed mean you have to see. Average speed mean that is equal to total distance. TD, total distance divided by total time. That is only known as the average speed. So total distance, you can see he has gone 90 kilometers. Total time, you can see 6 hours. So you divide 90 by 6. So when you divide 90 by 6, you get 15 kmph. That's the average speed. It is very small speed. No need to go in a car for this. Like, can go in a bicycle. That is 16 kilometer per hour wind. For 1 hour, you will travel 15 kilometers. Okay. Right. Find the speed of the BC part of the journey. BC part means from here to here. So you can see this is 40, this is 70. 40 to 70 is traveling 30 kilometers within 3 hours. 30 kilometers. Here 40 to 70. 30 kilometers within 2 hours. Okay, 30 kilometers within 2 hours. Then, speed is equal distance over time. Speed equal to distance over time. So, distance divided by time mean the total distance he traveled from B to C, 30. The total time taken to travel from B to C is 2 hours. Everyone can understand that pattern. B is 2, C is 4. 2 to 4 mean 2 hours. 30 divided by 2 mean, what is the answer? You get 15 kilometer per hour. Right, for 15 kmph is even the average speed also same, BC speed also same. Right, okay. If you maintain the speed at BC part throughout the journey, find the time takes for the whole journey. We keep the same speed, 15 kilometer per hour. Okay, throughout the whole journey. If you maintain the speed at BC part throughout the journey, find the time takes for the whole journey. Whole journey is how much? 90 kilometer. So speed is equal distance over time. Speed is equal to distance over time. You say in the time and speed, you just cross it. Time send it here, speed send it here. So time will be equal to distance divided by speed. Okay, distance, you have to divide it by speed. What is the distance? Distance is total distance 90. Now they told if you maintain the same 15, so divide by 15. 90 divided by 15 is how much for the? How much? Same. 6 hours. Again, if you maintain the same speed, he can finish the journey in how many hours? 6 hours. Still, he's finishing in 6 hours. You understand that? Okay. So it's a proceed in that way this question. Okay. Everything clear? So normally speed time graph they can give you. So did everyone understand this part clearly? Yes, nice.
Sir, how
Okay.
you found the fifth one?
Fifth one, what is the question?
If he maintains the
No, no, Yuthai. If he maintains mean like if he maintains the BC part speed, what is the speed of BC part, Putha?
15,
15 kilometer per hour. Now they are telling if he goes in the same 15 kilometer per hour speed throughout this 90 kilometer journey, is from here to here 90 kilometers. They're asking if he travel
yeah,
this 90 kilometer within 15 kilometer per hour speed, how many hours will take for the entire journey? 36 hours. Understood.
okay, sir.
Right. Good. Very good. We are speaking. Okay. We love who we are speaking. Nice. Okay. Now, because we love interactive sessions actually, because we don't like to teach for need bodies. Okay. Nice. So, Buddha, interact. First of all, finish this second question. This is related to pie chart. It's a question related to pie chart. So try this. After that, we'll discuss. Okay. I'll give some time. Utilize this time to try this question again. Now with the timing only, I'm giving this. Okay, I'm giving exactly. You can have only 10 minutes for this question. So 10 minutes, I'm giving you within 10 minutes. Try to get that. In case if you finish before 10 minutes, please put the answers in the chat box so we can double check. Okay, guys, did you finish this? I didn't see anyone in the chat box. What about people? Chat down chat box again. How many questions you have done and what is the condition? Okay, now let's start. Good. First of all, the information collected about the lunch preferred by 120 people who have participated for a certain gathering is given in the following incomplete table and the pie chart. Right? So meat 50. They have given this 50 kilo. So total is 120 kilo they have given. Total 120 kilo they have given. So they have asked to fill in the blanks. But the total 120 mean total is 120. When you take a full circle, that is equal to 120. Then when you take a quarter circle, how much is it? Full circle 120 mean quarter circle mean 120 divided by 4. Quarter circle 120 divided by 4, right? Then 30, right? Then 90-degree fish will be how much? 30, no? But the 90 degrees is 30 mean 45 degrees will be how much? Half of 13, then how much? 15. Very good. So this is 50, this is 30 mean 80, 80 and 15, 95. Then to get 120, this should be 25. Am I correct? Okay. Okay. So these 25, again, now carefully see these are 50, this 30, 50 and 30, 80. 80 and 15 will be how much? 95, 100, 120. Correct? Right. Now you can fill the number of people. Fish will be how much? 30. Egg will be how much? 15. Vegetables will be how much? 25. What is the angle of the center of the sector which represents the people who ate meat? So this one you can do like this. Now you know this is 90 degrees. You know this is 45 degrees. Right? You can do in any way. Or you can do in angle number system. Okay, this method is easy. If you know an angle, if you know a number, you just put up and down. That is known as angle number system. What do you mean by up and down? Up and down mean like this. Now, Buddha, you know, fish is 90 degrees. Then put the angle as 90 degrees. You know the number of fish number is 30. Then for on the fish, put the number as 30. This one, for meat, you don't know the angle. Okay. Then for that, you put X. But you know the number of the people who eat meat. That is 50. That is 50. So how can you write this? 90 over X equal to 30 over 50. You can write like this. Now what you can do? Okay. You can cut top numbers to top numbers. 30 and 90 you can simplify 3. So send the X to this side. Okay, so if X comes to this side, if 50 comes to this side, 3 into 50 become, here 3 into 50 become 150. 3 into 50 become 150. So X is equal to 150. Right. What is the angle at the center of the sector which represents the people who eat meat? 50. Next one. If all the people who preferred egg ate vegetables and all the people who preferred fish ate meat, find the ratio between the number of people who ate vegetables and the number of people who ate meat. What are they telling? If all the people who preferred egg, they ate vegetables. And all the people who preferred fish ate meat. Okay. All the people who preferred egg meat ate vegetables in 15 and 25, altogether 40 people. Okay. 40 people ate vegetables. And the number of people ate, all the people who preferred fish ate meat. Then fish and meat together. Fish is 30, meat is 15 and 80. Then this is meat kilo, we put 80. Then they have asked the ratio. Find the ratio between number of people vegetables and the meat. 40 is to 80. Here we can write 40 is to 80 mean 1 is to 2. It's a very simple question. Is it clear? In actual Tattagala, you can do this.
Yes, sir.
Ah, yeah. Nice. Good. Okay. So how fish is 30? Fish is 30 because full circle is 120. Sorry. Then quarter part is how much? 30, right? 120 divided by 4, 30. Got the point? How it's 30? Okay, nice. So you completed 2 questions. And I'll try one more. We'll try this question number 5. Okay. Now see this part. Namal and Nimal go to the public library once every weekday. Given shows all the possible ways they can go to the library during the following week. So, but what you have to do when they ask a grid diagram at the moment, if you are grade 11 first term or grade 11 second term, always they will give to mark everything like this. Okay. So you have to just mark all these things, you have to mark like this. You're going to cross on every single thing. Right. Okay. You mark like this. After that, for marking like this itself, Buddha, you get 2 marks. Now, if you get a grid diagram, don't think twice, just mark it. Okay. After that, they have asked, find the probability that Nimal going to the library on Wednesday. Nimal, they are talking only about Nimal. So I'll use the blue or red color. Nimal going to library on Wednesday. So where is Nimal? This is Nimal. This side only Nimal going to library on Wednesday. Already we are confused with these questions. When they're giving names also, they're giving like confusing names. Nimal, Namal. Only A and I is different. Alright. Alright. So they're asking the probability 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can write 5 over 25. So you can simplify and write 1 over 5. Okay. Right. How about the second one? Find the probability that both of them going to the library on the same day. Both of them going to the library on the same day. Both of going on the same day mean both should go. One is going on Monday, mean other one also should go on Monday, Tuesday and Tuesday. Likewise. So you can write Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, this green color one. They should go like this. Then that also 5 over 25. Okay. 5 over 25. 5 over 25 in here also you should simplify this. Then if you simplify, the answer will be 1 over 5. Right. Find the probability that at least one of them going to the library on Wednesday. At least one of them. At least one of them mean even one person going to the library on a Wednesday. Even one person going to the library on a Wednesday mean how can we mark that? I'll use brown color. Even one person mean anything. This is a Wednesday. This is a Wednesday. This is a Wednesday. This is a Wednesday. Everything with Wednesday here mark. Okay, this is everything. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so you get 9 over 25 here. Find the probability that Namal going to the library before Nimal. Find the probability that Namal going to the library before Nimal. Namal going to library before Nimal. Namal is going before Nimal. So who should go early? Namal or Nimal? Namal should go early. Right? If Namal going on Monday, Nimal should come to library on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's a different color. I'll use black. They should come on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And if Namal goes on Tuesday, Nimal, that day Namal comes early, no? Yeah, find the probability that Namal going to library before Nimal. Okay, Namal only should go early. If Namal goes on Tuesday, Nimal should comes on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay? It's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If it's Wednesday, they should come on Thursday, Friday. If Namal goes on Thursday, Nimal should come on Friday. So you have to take all these events. Okay, you have to take all these events. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 or 25 cal you get the answer. 10 or 25 bit. If you simplify this, you get 205. Is it clear? Are these things clear with everyone? So remember, probability is a definite question you will get in the exam. So don't miss this. Right. So with this, we'll wind up the session. So that's all for today. Then we'll meet with another session. Right. Right. So people then comes sharply at 2 o'clock for the physical classes. Okay. Right. That's all.
Okay, sir. Bye.